It's your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video today. Today's video got something to do with my hood. Before I do the cold start, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna get a walk over here, and with the walk, it got something to do with this thing. Yeah, and it got something to do with that orange color, right? Got something to do with that orange color. Right here, I got my little setup going on right now. Right here, I'm gonna flip the box over so you can't see the name. But yeah, hold on. Let me put my keys back in my pocket. And one hand open the box. What? This out. Yeah. Not the same one, factory style. It's gonna be orange. Orange. See, we all got the black. We all got black. Around here, I haven't really seen no one change the colors of theirs yet. I mean, I would say I might be the first one that's doing it. Might be the first one that's doing it. You know. But I'm gonna get down laying the color. It's gonna be orange. Not just any regular orange. It's gonna be the what I would say. The Mopar Hemi orange. Yeah. Hey, look. I was out yesterday. I left everything in the car. So before this cold start, I'm gonna show y'all how to pick up me some more towels. I always gotta pick up towels. In here. Got that Chrysler Hemi orange. Yeah. It's good because see that takes up it better be orange. It better not be full of me. As I get ready to start laying this down, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, make sure you get something that's with up whole heat because there's a lot of heat around there. So gotta get that. Is I'm gonna give it gloss to it. Maybe. Now I ain't gonna show you guys, bore you guys with me painting it, because it's just painting, spray painting that there. I'm gonna take the other one out that's up under the hood, and yeah, first I gotta let that dry. You know, I can't just go. In the meantime, it's the old ones, the original one's gonna stay under the hood for now until I get ready to take that one once it's finished painting. Once I finish painting it. So, if you look at the car, I got this on here, right? I'm working on my video that video is going to be sometime produced, I'm going to say before the end of next week. Alright? Before the end of next week. Because I don't know what happened with the upload or whatever. I'm getting that video going up. So with all the other stuff that's going on that I've been doing, that video is coming. So if you notice in my videos, you might see that. I don't know if you saw it when I did that, dropped in air filter. But yeah, I'm gonna get this cold start because I'm about to get going. It's still nice out here and everything. Keep breathing. What? Ain't nothing like a good American muscle sound, man. American muscle sound. Yeah. Yeah, good American muscle sound. Woo. Yeah, I see that wheelchair back there. I leave that back there. It's a little scary, but I leave that back there. But crazy motherfucker come through my yard. They could be looking at that, be like, what the fuck? They got a wheelchair back there. Yeah, that's for crazy. Somebody stupid to come back here. Look at the side box. I can't get enough of looking at that. The ones on the back. Ooh. Ooh. Tell me that ain't sound good. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Whatever they did with that setup, boy. So good. So good. But in the meantime, I'm about to start getting this paint laid down on this here. Start hooking it up. I got a little pre-wipe. Yeah. Because of the cardboard. Some of the stuff on there. So I'm going to give it a little pre-wipe down. And I'm going to turn back on this camera when I'm officially done. Because, well, I ain't, I'm going to try to get that. It says it dry fast, so I'm going to try to get that. So, painting now within an hour or two, come back out later. Put that in there, and it should look flush. Come back with you guys when this video is all done. I'm going to show you when I'm finished painting it. But I'm going to really show you when it's all put together. Excuse me, guys. When it's all put together. Yeah, it's going to look good. I mean, she already looking crazy good. She's going to look good. Like when I say good. Good. All right. I'm going to turn back on the camera, guys. All right. You already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe. Did I say that already? I ain't say that already. Hit that like, subscribe, comment at free will. And definitely share these videos. Alright? Definitely share these videos. Yeah. It's coming along. Look nice and smooth. Perfect. Waiting to dry. Then I'm going to lay down the gloss for it to give it a shine. Stay tuned for the rest, guys. Don't skip. Don't skip. Wait for it all completion. Right now, look what is going on outside. Snowing. Snowing. Help me. Help me. Please help me. Help me. But yeah. Yeah, I moved it inside. Because it's like little small pieces of hell. Little small size. I'm going to see if I can show you guys. Out there. Yeah. That's what's falling. That's what's falling. So we can't have that on here. They're looking like crazy. No. Perfection, that's what we're trying to do. You gotta go to a shop. You can do it yourself. Alright, guys. I click back on this camera when I'm done. Again. Finish is finished drying and everything. Got it all looking zoop. Believe it got it looking good for right now. Huh? Turn it. All up in there. We don't worry about the back side, you know. Look at that. We don't worry about that. No. Worry about all this right here. I'm going to go to the car, pop open the hood. Then I'm going to show you how to get that, the other vent, this here, or how you call this, the hood scoop, bezel, whatever you say, how to get this out from the hood over there. So yeah, so we're gonna get this out right here. Now what you're going to want to do, you're not going to try to lift it up from this angle, no, because guess what, I still want to keep this, so I ain't trying to scratch my paint, none of that. Hopefully I don't. So this one been flushed in there the whole time, brand new. So thank God that was good. Now it's time to open up the hood, get up in there. Now, to get up in there, you can't go, nope, you ain't gonna go this way. You ain't gonna go this way. Let me back up. You ain't gonna go none of these spots here. You're gonna get up in there. I believe I'm zoomed in too much from you guys. So even though you see this here, you ain't going in this way. You gotta get up in there from this way. So I'm gonna at least move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can have to get up in there, because if you're not mistaken, but look at this, how I'm gonna have to get up in there. So I'm gonna do my thing to get in there and everything. So I come back to you guys when I have all this here taken down. All right, guys. These little pins are hard as fuck to get out. Try not breaking them. If you got more, it's okay. Yeah. So see, just take them all out so you can get in there. What I did, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other one? Don't tell me the wind blew that. One's down here somewhere. Great. Nah, it's 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. So what I did is get in here, right? Now, like I said, you don't want to pry it from up here. You can squeeze it out for the 2020 chargers. There's no holes over here to get to it. You just like push the lever down, push in here down. So what I'm about to do is get to it from up here, because you ain't gonna be able to take it out. Like I couldn't get to these two here. So what we're gonna do, take it out nice and slowly. I'm gonna clean up in here and stuff and everything. So it's pretty much, this is just holding, they all holding themselves. You see these teeth right here? This holds up under there, and these two clamps are down here. So what I did, I pushed, I pulled back on this once I can get my fingers up in there. Hey, fortunately, I could get my hands up in here. Ain't that something? So I couldn't get, we're looking at the same thing, so. Yeah, you couldn't get to these two holes back here, to those little vents. So some chargers, they might have it closed off to get in there. Unfortunately, mine is one of the hoods that's closed off, so you can't just get into it easily. So I'm gonna put the side-by-side pick of both of these right here. I'm gonna get the other one and put it in there. It's already fully dry, so I'll come back to you real quick. All right. Yeah, there we go. See it? Got the new with the old, huh? Yeah, and by the way, I use this tool to get all these pieces here out, okay? So definitely I use the tool to get all those pieces out and everything. They came out, it looks pretty nice. It's that Hemi orange, y'all. I got that gloss on that, y'all. And because my car got gloss, so I gotta have gloss. I like the gloss, to tell you the truth. It's that Hemi orange, like I got up in here on my block down there, some Hemi orange down there. Make sure these things don't blow away. They're light. I need every last one to put back on. I don't know, I'm gonna leave this on. I'm gonna leave that on. But yeah, I'm gonna get to putting that back up in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put that back up in there. Like I said, I'm gonna pre-wipe up in there real quick. Wipe it down. Look how that sun hit that, y'all. Woo! Look at that. Let me move this out the way. That's a thumbnail itself. I don't think you guys know what you're looking at. But yeah, I got that real quick. All right, I'm gonna come back to you guys when it's all put together. Hi, gang. It's back on there. Back on there. But that's like everything else was. Pretty back up in there, ain't it? Woo! Look at that. Yo, that's fire. That's fire. Yo. It's fire. Yo, this is definitely different, y'all. Definitely different. It's windy out here right now. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Woo. Yo. Yo. It's that Hemi orange. Look at that. I'm all the way back. Look how crazy that look. Look how crazy that look. Look at y'all guys a good top of how that look. Look at that look. Woo. Yo, my ideals. Yo, you gotta take yourself, separate yourself from like everybody. Cause it's always nice to see what everybody's doing and their styles. But it's my style. It's my style. You know, create your own lane for real. Look at this. Woo! Now you know I can't have no car wash for a minute, right? For a hot minute. I mean, I shouldn't even put this on because nature is crazy out here, but it is what it is. I gotta put it on. It's on there nice. Yep. It's on there pretty good. It's on there pretty good. I can get a little something to get that little right there. But look at that. Other than that, y'all, that's what I was looking for. Woohoo! Yo! Yo. This 6'4" is bad. This 6'4" is bad, y'all. Yo, what I gotta say, this is your boy Charger17. While y'all looking at that and I'm ending this video right here, this is your boy Charger17. We out to the next vlog. You already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe. We ain't got nothing else to do because it's 2021 and we going up. And you already know, hit that like, subscribe. Definitely share.